Next, I'm gonna get rid of this old fly eye and whack on some new ones. So you literally just peel it off, you know, however you can. I'll show you in a minute. See, once you've warmed it up, it'll peel off like so. So when it stops peeling off, just warm it up a bit more. And that's the quickest way, rather than scraping. So if you haven't got a hair dryer, you have to scrape like I showed you the first way, but that's a pain in the ass. This is a lot easier. Right, to do some tinting, you're gonna need some soapy water. I just put a bit of fairy liquid in there, don't make it too soapy. Obviously get your cut off our piece of mesh that we're gonna put on. Gonna need a squidgy and a standing knife and a hair dryer or a heat gun. So something like that, and we're gonna follow this line. Right, so you make the surface a bit wet and the inside of your film or mesh or whatever a bit wet, lay it on, and then just start straightening it out with your fingers, pushing out all these creases. Now with mesh it's a lot easier than with kind of solid film. You have to sometimes pull and stretch while warming up. There you go, pretty much done. Just push out these bits with your squidgy while warming them up. It takes about 10 minutes per line. Easy job. And now you're ready to carefully cut it out. Then you get your squidgy and push in all the edges. It's much better to do it while you're warming it up, because the adhesive works a lot better when it's warm. So I'll carry on and then cut this off with a Stanley knife down the line and then show you the finishing result. Sorted, looking good. I think I'm gonna redo the other one, because this one's now old and the mesh is a different pattern. I don't know. And that one looks a bit darker now. Yeah, that one looks much better. I think this one needs to be done as well. But yeah, really easy. Okay, the mesh is done on both sides. Nice and easy job. Then I'm gonna put the lights obviously back in. Takes 5 minutes. So next, to finish off for today, we're gonna take out and tint these fog lights. As you can see, they're cracked from all the stones in the road, so instead of buying new ones, make it look pretty cool, I think. I'm gonna put some yellow film on it. Oh, this grill is chipped now. I think I'm gonna touch it up and then put some protective 3M tape on it. They're very easy to take out. You just pop like an Allen key or something in there. Pull this out, and then just one screw over there. Okay, a bit of degreaser, white spirit, and elbow grease does the job, so your glue residue has come off. Now the reason why I'm tinting these is not to look like a pimp. I mean, yeah, that's the reason as well. But the main reason is, if you can see, these lights have quite deteriorated a bit. I mean, I don't really know how to polish them, and I can't be asked really. I think they'll look cool a bit tinted, so that's a step I've taken to overcome that problem. Right, what I'm planning to do is obviously tint this yellow, the indicator bit, and then on top I'll put mesh. Give that a try, see what it looks like. Okay, I've used heat all the time when taking this one off, and that's the difference. You have to do a lot less work cleaning it afterwards, so best to use some heat. The quickest way to get rid of any bubbles, get a nice thin needle and pierce them, and then with a bit of heat just push out all the air and water. You're not going to see the piercings afterwards because the film will contract and it will look good.